Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you all will be fine. This is Countdown Book 1 3rd edition. So take out your Countdown Book 1 and Workbook of Science for Maths Planner. Mention date and day on the planner page and also mention date and day on Countdown page number 12. Today date is 17 June 2020 and the day is Wednesday. Bigger and smaller. What is bigger and what is smaller? Bigger means बड़ा, smaller means छोटा. हेलीकॉप्टर इज स्मॉलर दैन एरोप्लेन. हेलीकॉप्टर छोटा होता है, एरोप्लेन बड़ा होता है. पैराशूट बड़ा होता है दैन बैलून. पैराशूट इज़ बिगर, बैलून इज़ स्मॉलर. रैबिट इज़ स्मॉलर एंड एलिफेंट इज़ बिगर. Ship is bigger and boat is smaller. You have to write bigger and smaller according to object in the given space. Do you remember long and short? Long means lamba, short means chota. This is longer bat. This bat is longer than this. This arrow is longer than this. This crayon is shorter than this. Snake is shorter than this. This nail is shorter than this. You have to write shorter and longer in the relevant according to relevant object in the given space. Color shorter one blue and you have to color longer one red. Longer हमें आपको red color करना है, shorter में आपको blue color करना है. On page number 14, now you have to draw objects. Shorter balloon is here, you have to draw longer balloon. Longer key is here, you have to draw shorter key. Shorter ice cream is here, you have to draw longer ice cream. Shorter banana is here, you have to draw longer banana. Longer candle is here, you have to draw shorter candle. On page number 15, do you remember tall and short? Tall mean लंबा, short mean छोटा. This building is taller than this house. एक building जो है वो लंबी होती है एक house की बनिस्बत. So taller for tall things and shorter for short things. Taller लंबी चीज़ों के लिए, shorter छोटी चीज़ों के लिए. Lamp is shorter, this one. This tree is taller than this. This clock is shorter than this wall clock. This water bottle is taller than this cup. You have to write taller and shorter and also color it. Taller one red and shorter one blue. Taller में red color, shorter में blue color करना है. Page number 16, chapter number 2. Numbers start. Place value. Numbers up to 20. We will learn numbers up to 20. What is place value? हर डिजिट की अपनी एक प्लेस वैल्यू होती है और यू कैन से एवरी डिजिट हैज़ इट्स ओन नेम. हर डिजिट का एक नाम होता है. When you start from 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these are single digits and their values are ones. ये single digit है, इनकी वैल्यू ones है. जब आप 10 लिखते हैं, 10 have two digits 1 and 0. 0 ones, 1 tens. T for tens, O for ones. आपके राइट साइड वाला वंस होता है, लेफ्ट हैंड वाला टेंस होता है. राइट हैंड पे आपके 0 है, ये वंस है, और लेफ्ट हैंड पे 1 है, वो टेंस है. 11, 12, 13, these ones are tens and these 1, 2, 3 are ones. So look at this question. 10 pencils are put in a box and 2 pencils are individually here. 10 plus 2 we get. How to write 10 plus 2? First you have to look there. 2 is a single digit and its place value is ones, so write in ones column. 0 2 we get 2. आप 0 में कोई भी डिजिट ऐड करें तो आपके पास सेम डिजिट आएगा. 1 as it is because there is no digit below 1, so we get 12. Right here 12. In 12 1 10 2 ones. राइट साइड वाला 10 और लेफ्ट साइड वाला राइट साइड वाला ones और लेफ्ट साइड वाला 10, so write 1 10 2 ones. On page number 17, now you have to write the missing number. Look at this. 10 plus this. How many pencils are there? Count it and write 7. 10 plus 7. Again you have to count it like this. 10 plus 7 we get 17. So write it 1 10 7 ones. On question number 3, look at this. Writing tens and ones. 13. 1 10 3 ones. 17. 1 10 7 ones. Now you have to complete this page. On page number 18, you have to write the digit. You have to write the number. First you have to look the digits 1 and 3. Write 1 3. 1 5. 1 5 means 15. 1 0. 1 0 means 10. Now you have to write in figure and also write in words. Look at this. First you have to look the digit 1 8. 1 8 write in figure 1 8. The word is 18. So write in words 18, 10, 14, 16, 12. On page number 19, you have to write number. How many beads on tens? 1. How many beads on ones? 2. So write 1 2 1 2 12. How many beads on tens? 0. How many beads on ones? 9. So write 0, 9. How many beads on tens? 2. How many beads on ones? 0. So the number is 20 means 20. On page number 20, question number 7. Now you have to write the number in words. First you have to look the beads on abacus. In tens, 2 beads are drawn and ones 0 beads. So it means 20, 20 20. So write in words 20. In question number 8, you have to draw beads. First you have to look the number 15. Right side 5 and the left side 1. Left side is 10, so 1. You have to draw 1 bead on tens and 5 beads on ones. The number is 1 5. When you have a single digit, just 7, so 7 has a place value which is ones. Single digit की place value ones होती है. So you have to draw beads just on ones. 7 beads on ones. There are no beads in tens on tens. So just draw 7 beads. Now counting in tens on page number 20, 21. Now you have to count in 10. These are stakes of 10 blocks. This is one stake of 10 blocks, 2 stakes of 10 blocks, 3 stakes of 10. So right here 2 stake of 10 means 20. When you count it, these are 20 blocks. 3 stake of 30, 4 stake of 40, and up to so on 90. Up to 90. On page number 22. Now you have to count in tens and write in ascending and descending order. In ascending order means you are growing in ascending order. आप ascending order में grow कर रहे हैं, means छोटे से बड़े की तरफ जा रहे हैं. जब आप पहले न्यूबर्न बेबी थे, फिर थोड़े बड़े हुए, थोड़े बड़े होते गए, means छोटे से बड़े की तरफ. And in descending order means your family is in descending order. First your grandparents, then your parents, then your elder brother sister, you and your younger brother sister. So this number line will help you count it tens and write in ascending order. Start from 10, 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 90. And in descending order you have to write in backward counting. Start from 90, 90, 80, 70 up to 10. Now write greater, smaller. Which is greater and which is smaller? First you have to look 50 is greater than 40. Look first starting digit of both numbers. 5, 4. 5 is greater than 4. It means 50 is greater than 40. Right here greater. Look at this. 10 is smaller than 20. First look the starting digit 1 and 2. 1 is smaller than 2. It means 10 is smaller than 20. Right here smaller. On page number 23 you have to write the number. In tens 7 beads are drawn and in ones 0 beads. It means the number is 70. Right here 70, 70. In tens 1 and in ones 0. 1 0 means 10. Right here 10. In question number 6 you have to draw beads and write in digits. First you have to look in words 20. Right here 20, 20, 20 and draw beads. 2 on tens and 0 on ones means nothing. You have to draw nothing. So 2 0 means 20, 60, 50, 70. पेज नंबर 24 यू हैव टू राइट इन टेंस. आपको सिर्फ टेंस लिखने हैं. टेंस आपके लेफ्ट साइड पे 9, 6, 8. नाउ यू हैव टू राइट इन टेंस एंड वंस एंड राइट इन वर्ड्स. ऑन पेज नंबर 25 again same question, you have to count 10 10 and write here from 10 to 90. But in question number 11 start with 5 and count and write in tens. You have to count 10 tens in 5. First when you have to count 10 in 5, when you add 10 in 5 you have to write like this. 5 is a single digit, so write in ones column. We get 15. When you add 10 in 15 we get 25. आप आंसर में 10 10 ऐड करें. When we add 10 in 25 we get 35. When we add 10 in 35 we get 45. This is the series of 15, 25, 35, 45. So write here 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. This is the series of 10 10. On page number 25 here I am going to end off this lecture. See you next inshallah. Fi amanillah.